funky like no orgies. I heard he knows how to make love like an angel from the heaven above. Who was I kidding? I'd give him a try. His life needs love too, and that ain't no lie. Keep your ears open, hope that you're listening, cause I'm about to take you on a Georgie Porgy mission. I gave him the number, I saw it in his eyes. She gave me the number, I'm surprised. Good conversation over the phone. He began to comfort me whenever I was alone. George was sweet, so nice and so neat. With any other guy, he didn't have to compete. George was mature, he made sure that he was the only man I'd ever adore. Girls, have you ever had a friend that you get with every now and then? I know for a fact George had a lot of girls spread out from state to state around the world. As long as he was smart and kept his girls in check.
So baby, can't even get
Ballers, my grinders, get that guap, get that guap, come on, rock. Thinking of a master plan, cause ain't nothing but sweat inside my hands. So I dig into my pocket, all my money spent. So I dig deeper, still coming up with less. So I start my mission, leave my residence, thinking how could I get some dead presidents I need. Used to roll up, this is a hole up, ain't nothing funny, stop smiling, be still don't nothing move, but now I learn to earn, I feel great, search for a 9 to 5, if I strive, then maybe so I walk up the street, whistling, feeling out of place, cause a pen and a paper, stereo and tape, being in a nice big plate of, which is mine, but without no. Cause I don't like to dream about getting paid. I dig a